they bury me in the deep, where wind forgetting waters sleep? Shall they dig a grave for me under the greenwood tree, or on the wild heath, where the wilder breath of the storm doth blow? Oh no, oh no. Shall they bury me in the palace tombs, or under the side of cathedral domes? Sweet 'twere to lie on Italy's shore, yet not there nor in Greece, though I love it more. In the wolf or the vulture my grave shall I find? Shall my ashes career on the world-seen wind? Shall they flame my corpse in the battle mound, where coffinless thousands lie under the ground, just as the fallen are buried so? Oh no, 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 oh no. No, on an Irish green hillside, on an opening long but not too wide, for I love the drip of the wetted trees. I love not the gales, but a gentle breeze to freshen the turf, with no tombstone there, but green sods decked with daisies fair, nor sods too deep, but so that the dew, the matted grass roots may trickle through. Be my epitaph writ on my country's mind. He served his country and loved his kind. To the grave to go, if one was sure to be buried soon.